Hey guys, welcome back to OceanWP tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be taking you guys through the process of how to add your own custom submenu to your WordPress site. Stay tuned. So how do I create a menu with submenu options below it? Now, it's extremely simple, yet a lot of people don't actually know how to do it. And in this video, I'll show you guys how to do it in a very easy and efficient way. So just for a demonstration, if you look at the OceanWP menu over here, the navigation bar, you can see upon hovering over demos, two extra options drop down, as well as under extensions and support, as well as my account. So in order for us to do this, what we need to do is we need to head over to our dashboard. We need to go to Appearance and Menus. And within our menus, what we need to do, because this is a new, fresh WordPress website, there isn't actually a menu allocated to it at the moment. So what we need to do is we need to select Create Menu. Sorry, we have to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Main Menu. Select Create Menu. Brilliant. Okay, now for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretty much duplicate this. Not as many options, but you'll see what I mean. So I'm just going to go to Custom Links, and I'm going to select the hashtag option, which means it's a default link. All right, and the first one over there is Demos. So Demos, Add to Menu. Okay, so now this is the parent menu option. You can see over there, Demos is the parent, and then underneath that is the children options. So the submenus. Now, their option over there is website templates. So let's just do that. Website templates. Add to menu. Now, you might think that it's quite a complex, process in order to create that. But all we need to do is we need to select, we have to highlight it, or we drag it to the right. And you can see now that it creates almost a bit of a step there. So that means that we hover over demo, this will automatically drop down upon hovering over demos. So let's add the second section, view all templates. I'm just gonna view all template demos, add to menu, and drag and drop it again. And you can even create a new submenu for website templates like that. So when you hover over a demo, this will only appear upon hovering over website templates, then that will appear. So I'll actually do an example of that when we create the menu in an actual working page. So I'm just going to drag it back over to its step over there. Now, what we need to do is we're going to do pricing. Even though that doesn't have one, we'll just create one. So pricing, add to menu. Okay, and it defaults back to its normal state, so the first step. And under pricing, we're going to have, we'll just call it 6 months. Add to menu. $12 months, add to menu. Okay, and let's just do that over there. Now let's do another one. What do they have? So testimonials doesn't have one, so we'll have extensions. Add to menu. All right. Extensions. Menu, and within that extensions, they have a few. I'm not going to do all of them, so I'm just going to create some random ones. Free. Just hover it over there. Add that. Okay, and then let's create a third step for this one, and we're going to call it surprise. Add to menu. So there we go. What we'll do is we'll just give that a new link over there. And then let's just create a contact us. Brilliant. So now you can see that this is what a menu with submenus looks like, and there's even a third submenu underneath premium. So let's save that. And I'm going to show you guys how to implement that into a page. And for the demonstration of this purpose, what I'm going to be doing is I'll be making use of Elementor. So I'm just going to head over to Pages. I'm going to add new page. And I'm going to call it test page. I'm gonna publish it, edit with Elementor. And I'm just gonna select a blank template, so Elementor canvas. And let's just add a new section. I'm just gonna give it a layout of full width with some padding. 10. Okay, and let's drag and drop our nav menu section. So our nav menu into that. And you can see that it's now pulled up our menu automatically as it's been given the name main menu. So let's just center that and let's give it some styling. So let's just give it some height, so minimum height of, okay, and the background color. All right, okay, you can see that's got a nice white text, style, text color white. Let's give it some spacing and some vertical padding and a bit more space between. Okay, now we can update that and let's just go back to the drop down. Let's change the icon. There we go. So you can see that when we hover over, well, let's just also add a new section so you can see it fully. And the styling, the color. Okay, now you can see that when we hover over demos, you can see website templates and view all templates pop up, as well as pricing, 6 months and 12 months, and the one of the third submenu. If we go to premium, you can see that another one pops up. Now, there are many ways to style this. That is up to you. But just like that, we have now been able to create a menu with submenus that are involved. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.